SQL question which is asked in lot of companies, that is nth highest salary. क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है कि आपके पास आईडी एंड सैलरी है विच इज इंटीजर टाइप and you have to find out the second highest salary. Let's take an example to see this. So we have an employee table and this is a salary of those employees, that is 100, 200, 300, and we need to find out the second highest salary. So इसका output क्या है? 200. Let's take example 2. मेरे पास salary है 100 and I have asked for second highest salary. अब इसमें second highest salary नहीं है, so the output should be null. So we will be learning two techniques here. The first one will be limit and the second one will be offset. So let's see how we can do this. So first आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can do select salary from employee order by salary, that is in descending order. So first आप एक डेटा को सॉर्ट कर रहे हो from highest to lowest and after that you are putting a limit of 1. अब limit of 1 का मतलब ये होता है कि समझ लो आपके पास डेटा है, तो limit of 1 का मतलब है आपको only top 1 डेटा दिखाएगा. So limit of 2 का मतलब वो top 2 डेटा दिखाएगा. Once you have done this, then we need to put offset of n-1. Now please note, whenever you are using a function, आप offset of n-1 ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हो. So for that you need to change it and you have to write set of n is equal to n-1 and here you have to put offset of n. अब offset of n का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आपके पास डेटा है, let's say offset is 2, इसका मतलब ये है कि ये दो डेटा आपका निकाल देगा and your output will be 200 and 100. So this is the final code. आप कोई भी nth डेटा फाइंड कर सकते हो. So for example, if someone asks for top 5 data and you will get the 5th data, and yes, that's it.